Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing these very easy stamping nail art designs. Stamping is the easiest way to create nail art, and for the first design I have this pink and blue design. For this I have taken this beautiful stamping design and I used pink polish. And after stamping it on, I removed off the excess polish using a brush, and since the polish was dry it removed off easily. And then I added a few blue dots here and there, and finally finish off the design with a layer of glossy top coat, and this first stamping nail art design is done. For the second design I have used blue stamping polish to pick up the design, and once I picked up the design on the stamper head, I added a few colors on the back side like red, pink and icy blue color, and I allowed it to dry off for some time, and when it was tacky enough I stamped it on, cleaned up the sides and finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. So this design also looks very nice, and you can use this as an accent nail art if you want. And for this third design I have simply used the blue stamping polish. This metallic polish is one of my favorite stamping polishes, and I have applied this design over a white base color and finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. For the next design on the little finger I have used this beautiful lilac polish, and I stamped it on a white base color. And for this last design on the thumb I have used a maroon kind of stamping polish, and once I picked up the design on the stamper I filled in 3 colors, which is green, pink and a glitter golden polish, and when it was a little bit dry and tacky enough I stamped it on as before. Finally clean off the sides using nail polish remover and a cleanup brush, and the final step as usual is applying a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. I hope you liked these 5 easy stamping nail art designs, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.